My dear students, good morning. As we are studying the use of articles. Yesterday we learned the use of indefinite article and. And today we shall study the use of definite article the. Definite article the, as it is known as the definite article, it is used in some particular sense. When we talk about a particular common noun, we use article the. And here there are given some sentences which will focus on the use of article. As article the is used before a singular common noun when it stands for the whole class. Here you can see the sentence number 1, the cow. Here cow stands for the whole class of cows, and that's why the cow takes article the. Next sentence, the sun rises in the east. Article the is used before sun, as sun is a unique object of nature. So, article the is used before the name of a unique object of nature, the sun, the moon, the earth, the world, the sky, all such type of common nouns take article the, because they are unique in the world. Unique means only one. The second sentence, the Taj is situated at Agra. The historical monuments are particularized and therefore article the is used before them. For example, the Taj, the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort. Next one, the Gita is a holy book. Before the names of the holy books, we use article the, as the Quran, the Bible, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. Such type of books take article the before them. So keep in your mind. Next sentence, the Times of India. The Times of India is the name of a newspaper. So the names of newspapers or the names of magazines take article the before them. And the India Today, the Hindu, the Amar Ujala, the Dainik Jagran, when we write the names of the newspapers or the magazines, article the will be used. In the next sentence, the Ganga. Ganga is the name of a river. So before the names of the rivers, we use article the, as the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Kaveri, the Brahmaputra, etc. Next, he lives in the West Indies. As we know, West Indies is the name of the group of islands. So we should keep in our mind that article the is used before the name of the group of island, not before the single island. It is used only before the group of islands. In the next sentence, the Punjab is a prosperous state. Before the names of such states, countries or nations which are made from a group. Here the Punjab, in Punjab there is the figure 5 and that's why Punjab takes article the before it, the Punjab. Before the names, the united names of the nations as the USA. In the next sentence, you see he lives in the USA. In the same way, the UK, the UAE, the USSR, these all the names are united. So before the united names of the nations or the countries or the states, we are to use article the. In the next sentence, Lata is the tallest girl in the class. Tallest is the superlative degree of adjective. Before the superlative degree of adjective, article the is used. Keep in your mind. Next one, Mount Everest is the highest peak of the Himalayas. Here, article the is used at two places. The first one is used before the superlative degree of adjective and the second one is used before the name of the mountain range. Article the is used before the name of a mountain range, not before the single mountain. For example, Mount Everest is only one peak of the Himalayas and therefore no article is to be used. So keep in your mind that article the will be used before the name of the mountain range, not before the single mountain. In the same way, article the is used before some proper nouns when they are used as common nouns. For example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Here, article the is used before Shakespeare. Although Shakespeare is the name of a person, a poet, but here Kalidas is compared to Shakespeare and that's why Shakespeare is used as a common noun. So it takes article the. In the same way, Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Here, Switzerland Kashmir is compared with Switzerland. So Switzerland is used as the common noun, and that's why it takes article the. When a common noun is repeated, it becomes particular and therefore it also takes article the. For example, I have a cow. Here the cow is a common noun. But when we use it again to describe it, the cow is black in color. It means here the cow is particularized as I am talking about the cow which I have. There are some more examples as Mr. Sharma, who is the principal of NIC, is my cousin. So here article the is used before the title principal because principal is the only authority in the school. He is only one. Teachers are several. So is the case the Prime Minister as Narendra Modi is the PM or the Prime Minister of India. So this is also a unique post. Only one is there in the whole country. As Donald Trump is the president of the USA. It also takes the president, the governor. For example, governor is also a unique post in a state. It also takes article the. So we should keep in our mind that in such places article the is used because it is a definite article and it particularizes the common noun. Now you should keep in mind that article the is used at particular places, as I have given you several examples. So today you are to learn the use of article the, and tomorrow we shall do a miscellaneous exercise of the use of article, and that will be definite as well as indefinite articles. And for today, that is sufficient. Okay, thank you.